Dia Ortega. So, how are you all tonight? May ask lang po. Okay ba tayong lahat ngayon? Yes! Ayan, ang ganda ng energy. Sana ganun pa rin yung energy natin hanggang matapos ang gabi natin kasi of course may exciting performances pa po tayo hanggang mamaya. But before anything else, I would like to give acknowledgement to the following people who made this event possible. So let's all give recognition to these names. Shoutout po kay Ogie Diaz Productions, to Sir Ogie Diaz, Sir Fergie Flores, si Sir, Chef Jen C. Flores, and then we have Heavenly Desserts. To District 1, and of course, our singers later on this evening, Era Covers and J Heart Music. Palakpakan naman po natin sir.